Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. Some pretty lively weather around on Wednesday night across parts of southern England. But once that's all out of the way, for many, Thursday will bring a bright day with sunny spells. But it will be noticeably colder than it has been. Before we get there, however, we do have to deal with this deepening area of low pressure, bringing some very wet and windy weather across southern parts of England. This has actually been named as Storm Aurore by the French Meteorological Service, Météo France, being particularly concerned about the strong winds across northern France, damaging gusts likely here, and potentially disruptive winds also across the Channel Isles. It'll be heavy rain, though, which is the main cause for concern across southern parts of England. After a wet night on Tuesday night, further heavy rain lasting for several hours could cause some flooding and some travel disruption. It will be windy along the south coast, but the strongest winds will be across the Channel Isles, where, as I said, could cause some disruption before it all tends to scoot out of the way by dawn. Following on, we'll see northerly winds bringing a chill and some showers across northern Scotland, snow over the hills, hail and rain to lower levels, and a colder night, a cold start to Thursday, certainly compared to earlier in the week, widely down to single figures and significant wind chill also. On to the details for Thursday. There'll still be quite a bit of cloud early on over South Wales and southern parts of England, having a fairly grey start with some rain at times, particularly in the southwest, but that should clear away. And then for many, it's a bright, fine, sunny day. But there will be showers continuing over northern Scotland, hail and rain at low levels, snow on the hills, and plenty of heavy showers for northern parts of Northern Ireland. Coming into northwest England, North Wales, a few showers here, maybe the odd one early on along the east coast of England too. But for the vast majority, it's going to be a dry and bright day with quite a bit of sunshine, but it is going to be colder than it has been. We started the week with temperatures in the mid or even high teens. We're going to struggle in places to get to double digits on Thursday, and you add on that wind and it will feel even colder. Across the south, the winds won't be too significant, so here quite a pleasant afternoon, but it will still be quite a bit chillier than just a couple of days ago. Quite fresh then on Thursday evening, with a few more showers toppling into northwest England, northern and western parts of Scotland, still some snow over the hills. But again, at low levels, it'll just be hail and rain showers that we see. And that's how we go into Friday, really. Many places, again, dry, quite a bit of cloud around. Some showers for North Wales, northwest England, western Scotland. Probably a drier day for northeastern Scotland. And for much of the south and east of the UK, it will be dry. Still a chilly feel, but that wind will be easing down on Friday. So although temperatures, again, significantly lower than they were earlier in the week, back closer to average, and without that strong cold wind, it won't feel quite as chilly. As we head into the weekends, well, we are looking out west as weather fronts try and push in, but the emphasis on try. There's quite a bit of uncertainty about the timing of these weather fronts. The isobars do squeeze together, so it could get a little windier once more through the weekend, and there will be some patchy rain around, particularly in the west. But for many places, the weekend looks largely dry, and after a chilly start, slowly turning milder once more. For details on that, stay tuned. We'll have a weekend forecast for you on Thursday, and also keep up to date with Wednesday night and those weather warnings. You can see those for yourself on the app or, of course, on the website.